Muscle cells. Muscle cells are long and cylindrical in shape. The shape helps them to make long fibers of muscles. Due to the cylindrical shape, cells arrange themselves in strong fibers and are able to contract and relax to produce movement. Thus, muscular fibers do not break due to extensive workouts. Activity. 2 animals have adipose cells and islets of Langerhans, in addition to the above-mentioned cells. How does the shape of these cells support their functions? What is the appearance of xylem and phloem cells in plants, and how does their distinctive shape aid their functions? Search and present in the class. Knowledge 1.3-1.4. Structure of a cell. Cells are uniquely shaped based on their functions, although their internal structures are mostly similar, with a few exceptions. They contain organelles, which perform similar functions as organs perform in the body. Some organelles are common to both animal and plant cells, others are specific to certain cell types. Below, we will discuss some of the organelles commonly found in animal and plant cells. 1. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is a boundary and protective layer around the animal cell. However, it is a second membrane in plant cells. The main function of cell membranes in both animal and plant cells is to keep everything inside and control what goes in and out. They are called semi-permeable because some things can easily pass through, while others can't. 2. Cell wall. The cell wall is the outermost membrane in plant cells, whereas it is absent in animal cells. It is a rigid membrane that supports and protects the cell due to its structure. 3. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the transparent jelly-like material enclosed by the cell membrane. It keeps organelles in their place and helps in the movement of materials within the cell. 4. Nucleus. The nucleus is like the brain of a cell. It controls all the functions and processes taking place inside a cell. It contains DNA, a heredity material that possesses all the information of the organism. In animal cells, the nucleus is present in the center, while in plant cells, it lies along the cell membrane due to a large vacuole. 5. Mitochondria. Mitochondria, sing. Mitochondrion, are present in both plant and animal cells. They are called the powerhouse of a cell. The reason is, mitochondria break down small nutrients and generate energy, which the organelles of the cell use to perform their functions. Their number in a cell varies according to the need for energy. The figure 1.11 shows that a mitochondrion is double membrane bounded. Its second inner membrane is folded into finger-like projections which are called cristae. These folds increase the surface area and thus the production of energy.